Good morning, it's the 22nd of April 2010 and this is your daily outlook. The markets are fatigued over the Greek aid indecision. Trading yesterday saw some dollar and yen strength across the board as risk aversion fueled the markets. Greek 10-year bonds over German bunds traded near 500 base points as the indecision in regards to activating the bailout package has the markets fatigued and unwilling to go long risk via the euro at the moment. The Greek Prime Minister said yesterday that the government will decide soon about triggering the mechanism. However, that does not mean that Greece will stop raising funds from capital markets. The financial calendar didn't have any major announcements, with focus turning to today's PMI manufacturing and service report. Trichet will also be speaking today, and this is thought to be a risk event. Euro-dollar traded between 134.45 and 133.56. In the US yesterday, we had no major economic announcements other than Ben Bernanke testifying before the Financial Services Committee on the collapse of Lehman Brothers. We also had very positive earnings from the banking sector yesterday, with banks such as Wells Fargo and JP Morgan beating analysts' estimates and posting earnings of $2.37 and $3.3 billion, respectively. Stock markets closed flat yesterday, with markets puzzled over the situation in Europe. In the UK yesterday, we had the Bank of England minutes indicating a 9-0 vote to keep the asset purchase facility on hold at 200 billion sterling. However, despite this, the latest strong CPI data is keeping the sterling supported and making weekly highs at 154.57. Today, the market will be anticipating from the US a number of market-moving reports, including jobless claims, PPI and existing home sales, all expected to show growth, further instilling confidence in a US broad-based recovery. Currencies to watch out for: the euro-dollar and the dollar-yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 133.55, with a preference to enter into long positions at 133.75. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 93.20, with a preference to enter into short positions at 93.15. Today's calendar of market movers: EU PMI manufacturing for April expected at 56.8, EU MPI services for April expected at 54.4, US jobless continuous claims for the week expected at 4.6 million, and US existing home sales for March expected at 5.28 million. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed mixed yesterday, with the Dow closing at 0.07% and the SP 500 at minus 0.1%. The European bourses were down yesterday, with the FTSE closing at minus 1.04%, the DAX at minus 0.54% and the CAC closing down at minus 1.22%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was at minus 1.27% and the Hang Seng at minus 0.68%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.